The unannounced Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra has been revealed by a Filipino YouTuber. The hands-on video shared by YouTuber is no longer accessible as it has been taken down. The handset is said to be codenamed as Star. The YouTuber shared the Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra is black and white variant. A huge camera bump can be seen which almost occupies the top parts of the phone bags. It consists of a triple camera system which seems to include a periscope zoom lens. The camera housing is almost include a 120x ultra pixel AI camera, a triple LED flash unit and a secondary screen. The latter is capable of displaying any app present on the phone. It appears that it can be used for snapping top-notch selfie using the rear camera. The Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra specification. When it comes to its specification, the Mi 11 Ultra has a 6.1-inch OLED screen with curved edge. It offers a WQHD Plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. The punch hole positioned at the upper left corner of the screen has a 20 megapixel selfie camera. The screen is reinforced with Corning Gorilla Glass and the device offered IP68 rate, dust and water resistant. The Snapdragon 888 mobile platform fuels the Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra with enhanced version of LPDDR5 RAM and UFS 3.1 storage. It is packed with a 5000 battery that supports 67 watt fast wire charger, 67 fast wireless charging and 10 watt reverse charging. Coming to the rear option, the Mi 11 Ultra has a 50 megapixel primary camera, a 48 megapixel wide angle lens and a 48 megapixel periscope telephoto lens. It seamlessly supports 10x optical zoom. The Mi 11 Ultra has also equipped with Harman Kardon dual speaker and an in-screen fingerprint reader. It seems to be run with MIUI 12.5 global version.